Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is just an unboxing. I think this is some Happy Planner goodies that I ordered. Yeah, so let's just get into that. I bought it from Amazon, so I'm happy to put in the links in the description of where I got everything. But yeah, as you know, you can just kind of search for it online. Right. Boxes and boxes. So let's just take this out. So because I have what do you call these, slim I can't remember what the name of these are now, but I got a bunch of them for Classic Skinny. There we go, Classic Skinny. I got a bunch of filler paper for the Classic Skinny, but I didn't really have a cover, and also because I'm using quite a lot of dot grid paper recently. So this one, I don't know whether there's a specific year or whatever that they come out in, but this one specifically is a dot grid. And so I now have that one and this one, and then I made two of my own covers. One has a tree on it, and the other one has a skull on it. That one. So these ones I just made myself. They are filled to the brim, so it would actually be quite good to take some of the paper out and put that into this new one. I'll probably change the discs to expanded discs, just so that, yeah, we can change things out a bit. And then I also got a Happy Notes dot grid paper. I'm really struggling to get filler paper for dot grid, or dot grid filler paper. If you guys know where, apart from Happy Planner, because the problem is the shipping fees. It's so expensive from Happy Planner. So if anyone does know, please leave that in the comments. So let's have a look, see what this looks like. You get your dividers on that. Right. Okay, that's the one, and this is what the dot grid looks like. It is pink, but hey, whatever, it's fine. Dot grid paper is dot grid paper. Then we've got this one, Treat Yourself, written sharp. Right, so that's pretty much that for the notes. And then I got me these envelopes because I keep misplacing my receipts for my P card, so that's my work period card. So I thought I wanted to get one of these little envelopes, that way I can make sure that the receipts don't go missing. So yay! How does this go? Right, ooh, there we go. Cool. So there's 3 of these in the pack. I'll just keep these aside, you know, you never know. And I'll be using this one for my Happy Planner. Okay, so this is just going to go into my work planner. Let's just see, where shall I put it? I'll probably put it in the back. You see there's some receipts there. Work receipts. Oh, it's too small. Okay, so I'm going to have to use one of these ones. That's Fawn. Spend less, load more. Right. So there's some receipts. I can then, ta-da! Safe and sound. Right, so that's pretty much it for my unboxing. Just to recap, I got some of these envelopes, plastic envelopes, some dot grid Classic Skinny notes, and some dot grid, classic dot grid paper with some dividers. Right, thank you very much for checking in, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.